Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're breaking down the essential first step for anyone starting with the SAP Business Technology Platform, choosing the right account. Okay, let's dive right in. Getting this first step right really sets you up for success down the line. And trust me, it can save you a ton of headaches later. It's more than just an account, it's the whole foundation for everything you're going to build. So where do we even begin? Well, your entire BTP journey starts with one fundamental question that splits the path in two. It's the first big decision you'll make, and it all boils down to what you're trying to do. And here it is. Are you here just to explore and kind of kick the tires for free? Or are you ready to build something real for your business? Your answer to this one question determines everything that follows. So let's start with that first path, the free route. So you want to try out BTP without spending a dime. That's great. But, and this is a big but, this is exactly where a lot of people get tripped up. You see, you've got two free options, and they are very, very different from each other. Now, this slide right here clarifies the single most common point of confusion. People hear free and they think it's all the same thing. It's not. A trial account is its own little temporary, isolated world. Free tier, on the other hand, lives inside a permanent enterprise account. They are fundamentally different concepts. Think of the trial account as a temporary, all-in-one sandbox. It's perfect for personal learning, maybe if you're a student or a developer just wanting to get your hands dirty without any commitment. But here's the key thing to remember. It has an expiration date. Free tier, on the other hand, is a totally different beast. First off, it's not an account type at all. It's your starting point within a permanent enterprise account. It's basically a collection of always free services that lets you build a real proof of concept with a super easy path to upgrade whenever you're ready to scale up. Okay, so exploration is great, but what if you're past that? What if you're ready to build productive, business-critical applications? Well, that brings us down the second major path, building for the enterprise. And yep, you guessed it, just like before, your goal splits the path again. The question now becomes, are you building these applications for your own company to use internally, or are you building them to sell to other people? Your answer points you to one of two very powerful enterprise accounts. All right, if your own organization is going to be the end user of the apps you build, the customer account is your destination. This is the classic setup. It's for running your company's mission-critical stuff, and it comes with that all-important 24/7 support for when things, inevitably get serious. And now for all you innovators out there, if you're looking to build and then sell your BTP applications to other companies, then the partner account is your route. Think of this as your ticket to the official SAP Partner Program, which lets you actually commercialize your awesome solutions. You might think becoming a partner is this big, complicated thing, but it's actually a pretty straightforward three-step process. You fill out the form online, you sign the official contract, and then boom, you get your account. Pretty simple, right? So, you've chosen your path, the contract is signed. What happens next? Let's talk about onboarding, and you're gonna wanna pay close attention here, because how you get the keys to the kingdom can make a huge difference in how fast you get started. For a brand new customer account, the process is simple. After your purchase goes through, you'll get a provisioning confirmation email. That's nice. But the one to really watch for is that second email. That's the important one with your unique URL and login to get in for the first time. But hold on, because here is a tiny detail that can save you an incredible amount of time and frustration. Who actually receives that second crucial access email? Because it's not just sent to everyone in the company. Okay, so the crucial point is this. For a totally new account, only one person gets the keys. They become the first global account administrator. But, and this is a big one, if you're just adding a new service to an existing company account, that access email is not sent. You have to go find the person who already has the keys. And if that admin is long gone, your only move is to contact SAP support. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground, so let's put everything we've talked about together into one simple roadmap. This should make your decision crystal clear, no ambiguity. Here it is. This final matrix is your cheat sheet. Just match your goal on the left with the perfect account in the middle, and you'll see its standout feature on the right. Whether you're here to explore, try, run, or sell, there is a clear path forward for you. Now that you have the map, that first big decision should be a whole lot easier. The only question left is, what amazing things are you going to create?